Hi, this is Lasse from channel Tool4Pro. Welcome to today's special episode. Today we are actually not in the mill, but we are today at our home bakery Tool4Pro. Let's make some world's best korvapuusti with help of Tool4Pro. Alright, let's start. Today we have our project here in Tool4Pro, and I have also a wonderful helper, my daughter Venla, here with me, helping me out for making this korvapuusti. Okay, first I will start checking that we have all the tools. Oh, I cannot do this before we ensure our hygiene. Alright, let's check that we have all the equipment here. And as you know, I'm a process engineer, so it can be a little bit harsh baking today, but anyway, it's gonna be awesome. Okay, now it's time for looking at our project, how we are doing. So let's look at Tool4Pro, how we are doing. Actually, we are doing really well. Alright, time to continue. Now we are almost ready. Okay, now it's time to look what we got. They look really good. Looks like we made it. Okay, finally our project is done and we have a perfect Tool4Pro korvapuusti. Venla, thank you for your help. How does it taste?
Really good.
And now it is really time to enjoy. Thank you for being in this episode. Hopefully you got idea what kind of tool Tool4Pro is, and it can be used for various purposes, and you got some ideas of developing your business with Tool4Pro. Thank you, and we see you next time. Bye bye.